Good morning, beautiful people. It's Vlogmas day 14. Today what I'm going to do, I'm going to do some grocery shopping, then I'm going to cook, then I'm going to have a little family time. So it's not much going to go on today. I will see you guys later. I'm bringing you guys to the supermarket. Bye. I'm back from grocery shopping. Now I'm going to cook dinner and watch a movie with my family. So I will see you guys in the cooking video. Bye. Movie starting. See you guys later.
Hold on, didn't get for the holidays, didn't get that pay raise. Gee whiz, a bucket dry Christmas. Gee whiz, a bucket dry Christmas.
10 art supplies that I think you should buy for the Christmas. So number 1, Crayola crayons, preferably the 38 pack. Number 2, acrylic paints. Number 3, paint brushes, more specifically synthetic paint brushes. Number 4, glue gun with glue sticks. Number 5, drawing pencils, preferably 22B, 23B, 26B. Number 6, paper tape. Number 7, fixative. Number 8, spray adhesive glue. Number 9, gelling pens, a pack of gelling pens. Number 10, permanent markers, different color permanent markers. Now you can also throw in chalk pastel and watercolor papers. These are good gifts that you could give to someone this Christmas, and it's a good investment if you do love to do art. So thank you guys again for watching Vlogmas day 14, and I will see you tomorrow for another wonderful vlog day. Love you guys. Bye.